there guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do Mars Cosmetic eyeshadow haul. So I will show you the eyeshadows which I have bought from the Mars Cosmetics, and I just love the eyeshadows and highly impressed with Mars Cosmetics. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell icon and let's just get started with today's video. The first eyeshadow palette is this. This is the Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette from the Mars Cosmetics, and it costs you about rupees under 400 or 450. You can definitely grab this on sales. You can, the outer case is so nice, और यहाँ पे आपको लिखा मिल जाएगा Mars Cosmetics, और यहाँ पे पीछे आपको सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी. Let me give you the ingredients, थोड़ा सा short out. So it does have a mica talc, magnesium, paraffin. You know, it does have the dimethicone and parabens as well, and magnesium and black iron, yellow, etc. all that ingredients. Okay, so iski jo expiry date, that is 2026, which is great. Okay, so I highly impressed with this eyeshadows. मतलब मैं इसे यूज़ भी कर चुकी हूँ. Highly impressed, highly recommended to the beginners. And this is how the packaging looks like. Just love the outer packaging as well. I'm sorry, my lights are reflecting, but that is fine.
Just look at it. कितनी अच्छी eyeshadow palette है. मतलब I'm impressed.
And this is how the color story looks like. And I just love this white powder. Even Makeup Revolution का इतना ज़्यादा pigmented white powder नहीं है. That's what I feel. I do have Makeup Revolution Reloaded, Maxi Reloaded eyeshadow palette, and that is a very nice eyeshadow palette. But उसमें जो दो चार eyeshadows हैं वो इतने ज़्यादा pigmented नहीं है. And white shade is one of them. So just look at the white shade, and this is just a one swipe. Look at it. Love that. And I have used a quite bit colors, especially this one is so good. This color is speaking to me, and this color is calling my name. Both the colors, highly impressed. Even the yellow is very nice. Even the yellow is very nicely and pigmented, very soft to touch, और इनका कोई इतना ज़्यादा fallout भी नहीं है. But one color do have a lot of fallout and kickback, which is this color. Sorry, this color. This blue is very chalky. And let me show you. आपको ना इसे टच करने पे पता लग जाएगा कि कितना ज़्यादा रफ है. एंड जस्ट लुक एट, आपको थोड़ा सा चौकी पता लग रहा होगा कि हाँ ये चौकी है. आपको वीडियो में ही नज़र आ रहा होगा कि कितना ज़्यादा चौकी कलर है. सो इवन द पिगमेंटेशन इज नाइस. काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाता है क्रीज में. एंड या लव द पिगमेंट एज वेल. लेट मी गिव यू द swatch. Just look at the swatch right there. This color has my heart. Oh, love that. Let me show you the black as well. Black is very black. And let me show you some shimmer shades as well. See the pigmentation. Pigmentation is quite good, so you can definitely check it out. And I just love this burnt orange shade as my blush on. Just look at the pigment, and this shade as well. All the shades are very soft except these two colors are थोड़े से chalky and थोड़े से hard, but that is fine क्योंकि जब आप उसे eyes पे blend करोगे तो वो fall out नहीं होगा. But that is fine for me. I can work with the eyeshadows. Love this, love this. So इसमें और भी I think 3 से 4 variants available है. So you can definitely check this out. It is good for beginners. अगर आप एक colorful eyeshadow लेना चाहते हो, go for this. अगर आप इसमें एक neutral eyeshadows में, you can definitely go for that. Even the pen size is huge. So I have their Pulse eyeshadow in 2 shades. First I have their Lit It Up eyeshadow. So this is the purple variant. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and it costs you about rupees 300. And this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is the back case. और यहाँ पे आपको पीछे सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी. Just look at the packaging as well. And ये थोड़ी सी गंदी हो गई है because मैं इसे यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ काफ़ी बार. And you will get a huge mirror.
I just love it. और इसे आप definitely use कर सकते हो because the mirror quality is really good. And I'm loving my makeup so much. And I love the lip shade as well.
video. So this is how the colors looks like. It does have very orange, yeah, it does have very orange undertone, pink, purple, silvers, browns, and love it. You cannot use this color as your eyebrows, मतलब इसे आईब्रोज पे यूज मत करना. दिस इज नॉट गुड. मैंने इसे यूज करने की कोशिश की बट इट डज नॉट लुक दैट ग्रेट बिकॉज आई डू हैव ब्लैक आईब्रोज, so don't use this as your eyebrow color. Okay, so let me show you the swatch. This is the one swatch. Let me show you this swatch.
The pigment is good. Just look at the pigment.
Pigment is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. This shade is very chalky. This shade is very soft. Yeah. This shade is very chalky. फिर जब आप इसे ब्लेंड करोगे काफ़ी अच्छा एक ब्राउन टोन कलर मिलेगा आपको, which is nice. For me this is a nice color. And the shimmers are really amazing as well. This one is not that much good, not that much pigmented. This one is very pigmented and I love this one as well. These two shimmers are really good but this one is not that much pigmented. It is very subtle. See, it is very subtle, so you can definitely use this as well. Everyday looks के लिए काफ़ी अच्छी है and I love this color. See, मैं इसे भी use कर चुकी हूँ. This is such an amazing color. So if you are a colorful lover, so definitely check it out. Next I have my most favorite और यही आई शेडो पैलेट आज मेरी आईज पे है. Okay, so this is their new launch. This is their soft glam eyeshadow. In the same purse eyeshadow में इसका जो variant है that is soft glam. Okay, so this is how the packaging again looks like. Same packaging and आपको इसके साथ एक flap भी मिल जाएगा ये वाला. And this is the entire palette is on my eyes. I just love the color story. मैं ऐसे ही जो कलर्स होते हैं पर्पल अंडरटोन्स, ठीक है, ऐसे ही मोविश पर्पल्स अंडरटोन मुझे एज ब्लशेस पसंद है एंड इवन एज माई आई शेडोज. मुझे यही पैलेट सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. पहले मैं एक कलरफुल वेरिएंट लेने लगी थी इसमें बट आई डोंट वांट दैट बिकॉज आई डू हैव दिस कलरफुल आई शेडो पैलेट बट आई लव टू यूज दिस वन बिकॉज this is me in a palette. Highly recommend from my side. If you need a soft glam look, if you need a थोड़ा सा smoky look, थोड़ा सा soft से भी थोड़ा सा mediumish a dark eye, so you can definitely use this shade. अगर आप थोड़ा सा चाहते हो कि थोड़ा सा smoky किया जाए, so you can definitely go with this shade. थोड़ा सा शिमर भी कर सकते हो, थोड़ा सा और सॉफ्ट कर सकते हो, एवरीडे भी कर सकते हो. lot more you can create a lot of looks with this. Okay, so definitely recommended this soft glam eyeshadow from the brand Mass Cosmetics. Definitely love this, and this is the entire eyeshadow palette is on my eyes. Let me show you the swatches as well. Let me show you this one. Just look at the color. Let me show you this one. Just look at the color. This one, and let me show you this one. Just look at the color. Love that. And this color is so good. Highly impressed with the eyeshadows and बहुत soft है इसके eyeshadows. Love it. Highly recommend. This palette is gorgeous and if you are bride to be और आप किसी को gift करना चाहते हो, so you can definitely check this out because I love this eyeshadow palette. Highly impressed. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and all the eyeshadows are recommended from my side. Be sure like this video, comment me down कि आपको मेरा review कैसा लगा. And you can also follow me on Instagram.
And you can also achieve this look.
You can definitely achieve this look. This is the Mars One brand makeup. और आप मेरी playlist भी जरूर check out करना. And yeah, till then take care. Bye bye.